Welcome to the Learn Python Programming from A to Z Beginner to Expert course, where you're going to learn how to become a professional Python developer and easily be able to create programs, apps, scripts, and so much more. In this course, you're not only going to learn how to become a Python expert programmer, but you're also going to learn how to land your first job or even get started as a freelancer. Even if you already have some programming experience or simply want to learn about the advanced features of Python, this course is for you. In this course, we're going to be using Python 3, and in this practical hands-on course, our main objective is to give you the education, not just to understand the ins and outs of Python programming, but also to learn exactly how the software development industry works, the different roles within a team, and how to land your first job even if you don't have a college degree. Blending practical work with solid theoretical training, we take you from the basics of Python programming all the way through to mastery, giving you the training on not just how to be able to create software programs, scrape websites, build automation tools, but also the foundational understanding of data science and visualization and software development as a whole, so you can become a well-rounded Python programmer. By the end of this course, you'll be a professional Python programmer and be able to confidently apply for various jobs and feel good knowing that you'll have the skills and knowledge to back it up and be able to land high-paying programming jobs. My name is Juan and I'm one of your instructors in this course. My background is in the tech space, specifically with digital marketing, web development, and coding. And Ahmed is going to be your other instructor in this course, and he has many years of experience in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so much more. Together, we're going to give you the foundational understanding that you need to know, not just on how to write code in Python, how to create various scripts, how to create softwares, but also how to get paid for your newly developed programming skills. This course covers 6 main areas. Number 1, this is where we're going to be going over the Python course introduction. This section gives you a full introduction to the Python industry, the marketplace, the various job opportunities, the various salaries, and really giving you an overview of what you can expect as somebody getting started in the Python industry, or if you already have some experience, what you can expect as far as working for an organization or getting started as a freelancer. And we're going to show you how to land a job without a degree. And then in part number 2, we're going to go over the basic and advanced data types. So this section gives you a full introduction to the Python basics and advanced data types with hands-on step-by-step training. We're going to go over Python variables. We're going to go over integers, floats, and complex numbers. We're going to cover strings. We're going to go over operators. And then finally, we'll go over lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Then in part 3, we're going to cover Python control flow. This section gives you a full introduction to the Python control flow with hands-on step-by-step training, where we're going to go over the basic and complex conditional statements. We're going to go over for loops, while loops. We're going to go over the break and continue statements. And then finally, we'll go over the zip and enumerate keywords. And then in part 4, we're going to go over the basic and advanced functions. This section gives you a full introduction to the Python basic and advanced functions that we're going to be working with full hands-on step-by-step training. We're going to go over the help in defining functions. We're going to go over error handling, variable scope, doc strings, the lambda functions, the iterators and generators, and then the map and filter functions. And then we have the scripting and libraries. In this particular section, we're going to go over a full introduction to the scripting and libraries with hands-on step-by-step training, going over scripting basics, Python IDEs, Python text editors, third-party libraries, NumPy and pandas, data visualization, and then web scraping. And then finally, in section 6, we're going to go over starting a career in Python. So this is going to give you full introduction to starting a career as a Python programmer with building a brand, personal branding, Python text editors, how to get started with freelancing and freelance websites, and then the importance of having a website. Then we're going to go over networking and then creating a resume for your application. So we're excited for you to get started in this course, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.